Hello everyone, welcome to the Knowledge Academy channel. Today I am going to tell you phonic sound. Arjun asking to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, can you teach me phonic sound?" Krishna says, "Dear Arjun, let's start our lesson." Sound of A. F A N fan. F A N fan. C A N can. K A N can. M A N man. M A N man. P A N pen. P A N pen. V A N van. V A N van. B A N ban. B A N ban. Now we repeat. F A N fan. C A N can. M A N man. P A N pan. V A N van. B A N ban. Next is sound of E. B E T bed. B A D bed. P E D pad. P A D pad. L E D leg. L A D leg. R E D red. R A D red. F E D fat. F A D fat. W E D wet. W A D wet. Next is sound of I. B I N bin. B I N bin. S I N sin. S I N sin. T I N tin. T I N tin. P I N pin. P I N pin. W I N win. W I N win. F I N fin. F I N fin. Next is sound of O. H O T hot. H O T hot. G O T got. G O T got. C O T got. K O T got. D O T dot. D O T dot. N O T not. N O T not. P O T pot. P O T pot. Next is sound of U. C U T cut. K O T cut. B U T but. B O T but. H U T hut. H O T hut. N U T nut. N O T nut. G U T gut. G O T gut. R U T rut. R, A, T, rut. Now we repeat. C, U, T, cut. B, U, T, but. H, U, T, hut. N, U, T, nut. G, U, T, gut. R, U, T, rut. Krishna: Dear Arjun, practice this lesson again and again. We will meet again for next lesson. Arjun: Thank you, Krishna. I will perform my duty as a good student. Thank you.